Do you know about this mission?
Yes.
Okay, so I mean, the asteroid is going faster than a speeding bullet. It doesn't have enough gravity to go into orbit around, really, until you're really close. We had to catch the thing, get ourselves situated around it, get low enough to get into orbit, match its spin rate to get and then when they got out there, I love this. NASA designed this little sort of vacuum cleaner to vacuum up a sample of the asteroid. The whole surface was covered with big boulders. They were just like, I mean, literally like, fuck, it's like, it's not going to work. There's nowhere where there are small, fine grain, things we can just suck up easily. So they survey the whole thing. They find there are these tiny little craters that have some dust in them. And then they have to reprogram the spacecraft because it wasn't meant to be so autonomous. It's so far away that a command one way is going to take 15 minutes. You can't joystick it. It's got to take itself down manually amidst all these boulders. They had to make the spacecraft autonomous after they launched it.